Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you the top 5 most controversial games made on the planet. Ethnic Cleansing. This is an FPS developed by a white supremacist group, released on Martin Luther King Jr. Day. The player traverses 2 levels, killing various members of ethnic groups. It was sold for $14.88, both numbers referencing white nationalist slogans. Though sales were restricted due to major platforms refusing to carry it, the game was never officially banned in the US. The Guy Game. This is an adult trivia game set during spring break, featuring real girls in bikinis. Correct answers increased the flashometer, leading to topless footage. The game became technically illegal to own when it was discovered one of the participants was only 17 years old, making it child pornography under US law. In this Japanese visual novel, the player controls Masaya Kimura, a man who assaults a woman and her family, including her younger sister and mother. The player stalks and assaults all 3 characters using a cursor and mouse-controlled mechanics. There are 2 endings: the black ending, where Kimura has a child but dies on subway tracks, or the red ending, one of the women kills Kimura in revenge. Though it initially saw little protest in Japan, it was banned in Australia and Argentina, and it was eventually removed from sale by Japan's Ethnics Organization of Computer Software. Hatred. This isometric shooter features a protagonist called the Antagonist, who hates humanity and embarks on a mass killing spree. The game is black and white, with only blood and red. It was only the 3rd game in history to receive adults-only rating in the US, for the violence alone. Although it was initially removed from Steam, it was later reinstated after a personal apology from Gabe Newell, the co-founder of the game. 177. This game is named after a Japanese penal code article against sexual assault. The game is about a man chasing a fleeing girl through obstacles. If he catches her, the game shows a marriage scene. If not, she escapes and calls the police. The game's offensive and illegal implications have made it highly controversial and hard to find, and it's effectively banned across most platforms. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!